Hi everyone, welcome to the 8th instalment of our mini-series showcasing Copilot for M365. In this video, we're going to be looking at how Copilot can provide insights on our data in Excel. So Copilot can easily produce insights and interesting observations about more complex patterns in data just by asking it to show you insights. So we're going to go back to the Copilot prompt box and ask Copilot to show me insights. After a bit of analysing, it produces a quick chart. You can dig further on a specific insight, or you can add all insights into a grid. All insights are added to a separate sheet, so your original data remains intact. So we're going to ask Copilot to add all insights to a grid. So to dive deeper into a particular insight, right-click on the chart and click Show the Field List. Copilot provides a pivot chart experience where you can alter and add fields to the original insight. So we can add other fields by easily editing the chart to display meaningful data. So we can add the fork length of the bikes, brakes, wheel size, frame size, and anything else that was in our original data. I hope you found it useful seeing Copilot and Excel work in real time. In our next video, we're going to be leveraging Copilot to provide us with a summary and action items of a meeting that we couldn't attend.